Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to delete multiple rows in Google Sheets with shortcut key. Let's begin. Use shortcut selection 1, dragging selection and selection 2, hold control, multiple selection and selection number 3, hold shift, okay, and number 4, hold Control Shift down arrow key. Select all selection. And number 5, hold Shift down arrow key. Slowly selection. Then hold Control Alt minus icon. And now we can see this delete multiple rows. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.